Hello everyone, myself Ankita Bhoir and my coordinator name is Pratik Bhandangale, Pawan Bhadange and Praveen Bhangre. We are studying in final year B Pharmacy from Shivajirao S. Jonle College of Pharmacy, Asangav. Our topic for project is anti-diabetic drug under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Moire as a professor and principal of our college. What is diabetes mellitus? Anti-diabetic, any drug that work to lower abnormally high glucose sugar level in the blood, which are characteristic of the endocrine system disorder known as diabetic mellitus. Diabetic is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, is of energy and come from the food you eat. Insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, help glucose from food get into our cell to be used for energy. Sometimes your body doesn't make enough or any insulin or doesn't use insulin well. Glucose then stays in our blood and doesn't reach our cells. Introduction. Lower abnormally high glucose sugar level in the blood, which are characteristic of the endocrine system disorder known as diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disease in which there are high blood sugar level over a prolonged period. Etiology: heredity, autoimmune, viral, environmental factors. Example: stress. Regardless of its causes, diabetes is primarily a disorder of glucose metabolism related to absent or inefficient insulin supplies and or poor utilization of the insulin that is available. Types of diabetes mellitus. Type 1 result from the pancreas failure to produce enough insulin. This from previously referred to as insulin dependent diabetes mellitus or juvenile diabetes. The causes is unknown. Type 2 beginning with insulin resistance, a condition in which cell fail to respond to insulin properly. This form was previously referred to as non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus or adult onset diabetes. The primary causes is excessive body weight and not enough exercise. Type 3 gestational type is the third main form and occur in pregnant women without a previous history of diabetes. Sign and symptoms: weight loss, polyuria, increased urination, polydipsia, increased thirst, polyphagia, increased hunger, blurry vision, headache, fatigue, slow healing of cuts, itchy skin, prolonged high blood glucose can causes glucose absorption in the lens of the eye, which leads to changes in its shape resulting in vision changes. A number of skin rashes that can occur in diabetes are collectively known as diabetic dermatitis. Classification of antibiotic drugs. Sulfonylureas stimulated beta cells to release more insulin. Example: glimepiride, melidonides, non-sulfonylurea, insulinotropic agent. Example, repaglynide. Biguanides no effect on beta cell, 3 site of work, peripheral, tissue, liver, intestine. Example, metformin. Thiazolidi- Thiazolidinase decrease insulin resistance in peripheral targeted issue. Example, pioglizons. Alpha glucoside inhibitor delay carbohydrate absorption from GI tract. Example, acrabose. Sulfonylurease glimepiride MOA bind to a subunit of the beta cell ATP activated K channel complex termed the sulfonylurea receptor. This binding reduces the rate of outward flow efflux of ion across cells membrane and lead to closure of the channel. This this depolarize the membranes and trigger of opening voltage sensitive calcium channel leading to rapid influx of calcium increase intracellular calcium causes an alternation in the cytoskeleton. This stimulates transition of insulin containing secretory granules to the plasma membrane and exotic release of insulin. Pharmacokinetics, absorptions, oral, bioavailability 107% of oral, distribution all tissue CSF, whole distribution 8.8 L/kg, plasma binding greater than 99.5%, metabolism organ liver, metabolite cyclohexyl hydroxymethyl glympyridamide, exertion kidney. Side effect, headache, nausea, dizziness, weakness, unexplained weight gain. Uses to treat diabetes mellitus. Meglinides, repaglynide, MOA. Meglinides bind to the ATP dependent calcium channel on the cell membrane of beta cell of the pancreas in a similar manner to sulfonylureas, but have a weaker affinity and faster dissociation from SUR1 binding site. It leads to increased intracellular calcium, which causes the membrane to become more positive, leading to depolarization and opening of a voltage gated calcium channel. This rise in intracellular calcium leads to increased fusion of insulin granule in the cell membrane and therefore increased secretion of proinsulin. Pharmacokinetics, absorption oral, bioavailability 56% oral, distributions all tissue, volume distribution 31 L and kg, plasma binding greater than 98%, metabolism organ liver, metabolite hydroxyperoxide, exertion anus. Side effect, hypoglycemia, upper respiratory infection, sinusitis, rhinitis, nausea, diarrhea, consumptions, vomiting, aralgia, back pain. Biguanides, metformin, MOA, inhibition of peripheral glucose utilization, inhibit gluconeogenesis, impair absorption of glucose from gut. As you can see this diagram. Pharmacokinetics, absorption oral, bioavailability 50% oral, distribution all tissue, volume distribution 6 by 4
LKG, plasma binding greater than 90%, metabolism organ, liver, exertion, kidney. Side effects: physical weakness, asthenia, diarrhea, gas, flatulence. Symptoms of weakness: muscle pain, myalgia, upper respiratory tract infection, low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, abdominal pain, GI complaints, lactis, acidosis, rare, low blood level of vitamin B12. Uses: treat diabetes mellitus, treat PCOS.
Acknowledgements. We are very thankful and grateful of President to Shivajirao S. Jonle, Dr. Geeta Khare, Secretary, and Principal Sir Dr. Nitin Moire for guiding and motivating us. Hope you like this video. For more informative video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.